Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Donovan, and today we're going to take a look at a tempered glass screen protector for this device right here. This is the Moto G6 Play. It's available right now on Amazon.com. That is the unlocked version for $190. And today I want to take a look at a tempered glass screen protector that you can pick up on Amazon for under 10 bucks. This is from IQ Shield, so I've used a ton of their liquid application screen protectors, but I saw that for the G6 Play you could actually get tempered glass screen protectors for this device from this company specifically. And it's a 3-pack. It's available for like 9 bucks, so I thought, why not give it a try? So I'm going to go ahead and turn the screen off, and I'll show you what you get in the package. So you get 3 of these wet removal, wet alcohol wipes. That's what they're called, alcohol wipes. You also get the microfiber cloth that I showed, and 3 dust removal stickers, and then of course 3 tempered glass screen protectors. So we're going to go ahead and start out, and we're going to just clean off the screen real quick with the alcohol wipe or alcohol pad. And this is a very dusty environment. Typically you don't really want to do this in a dusty environment. My office is just very dusty, so we're going to go ahead. Actually, it looks like you get a couple microfiber cloths, so that's cool. Alright, so clean it off with the microfiber cloth, and then last thing we're going to do before we actually apply the tempered glass screen protector is we're going to go ahead and use the dust removal sticker, because that is probably the number one thing. Most annoying thing is having dust on your screen underneath that tempered glass screen protector. So go ahead and do this a couple times, and then we'll apply the screen protector to see how it works. So I did get a tempered glass screen protector for my Moto G6, so that's the regular G6, not the G6 Play, and it worked out really well. But then I got one for my Moto E5 Plus, and that one did not work very well because of the curved screen, so it looked really weird. It just did not work out real well. So we're going to go ahead and give this one a try. I think I got all the dust off of there, so hopefully I do. And we're going to go ahead and apply it. So it's got the cutouts for the front-facing camera and flash, and then that speaker as well. I want to make sure we get it all the way lined up there. Now, some kind of guide here would have been nice for them to include, but that's pretty rare. But it looks like this one's going to work without any kind of issue. Yeah, actually that's perfect. Perfect fit. So, with these tempered glass screen protectors, sometimes you have an issue where they'll kind of like have a halo effect around the outside of it. So you do not get that with this one. So that is a huge positive in my opinion. So yeah, this looks great. Definitely one I would recommend. So this is a 3-pack for under $10, and it works out really well. It goes on super easy. Covers the entire screen, and then of course it will work with a case as well. Now I need to work out a couple of bubbles up here, but for the sake of keeping this video a little bit shorter, I'll keep that out. But I do like the fact that obviously it's going to work with a case, so it's not going to go edge to edge, of course. You're going to have part of your screen just not covered, but that's okay. It's covering the most important parts of the screen, and then your case will kind of protect the edges as well. So anyways, quick look at a tempered glass screen protector from IQ Shield. Again, link will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.